Hi, greetings everyone. Gopal Jasapara from G-Force Cricket Academy. Today I'm going to talk about the tournament we just recently concluded in Little Champ Cricket League tournament. We had three finals as I discussed to you earlier also in my channel. Under 10 won by G-Force, under 11 won by B Spartan. But today we talk about under 12 final, and under 12 final played between Max Tillon, beating G-Force in the semi-final, reaching into the final to meet against the B Spartan, the strong B Spartan. They had a very good side. They have a very good batting order, and they won all the games in the league. So they wanted to win the second tournament after winning under 11. They were roaring to go, and at the same time, Max Talent, they were also doing so well in the tournament by bowling well and fielding so well. And the match ended in favor of Max Tillon by winning 6 runs. That match was crucial for Max Tillon because they played so well, and this result they must deserve to be there because their fielding was fantastic. The young bowlers bowled really well. Batters, they didn't give them a score what actually you look for. In 24 hours they just scored 122 runs, and 122 runs is not the score where you can really defend to such a strong side. 123 they scored, and it was not a great score in terms of the way B Spartan has chased down, and they posted a score around 200 runs. So this game was very, very tense. Definitely we were knowing that. I think this game not going to be easy for B Spartan for sure. And then what happened is like they started so well in the bowling. The B Spartan chasing 124 to win. Fatur Rahman, the consistent run scorer in the tournament, he hit a beautiful 6 to start with for B Spartan, but then he lost his wicket in the process, and they lost many wickets after that. Parin Sethi, a very good player as an opener, he got out for cheaply for 5. Parsasarthi scored 5. Captain Razel Nadi scored 7. So they lost 4 wickets quickly. That 4 wicket came in 56 runs, but that time the score 56 was very low in terms of the way they bats, and 13 overs had already passed through. In the drinks back, the match was on both the side because Ahmed Kudadar was batting. He was playing very cautious knock today, and he wanted to be there to make sure his team wins it. So he batted for 40 balls, he scored 23 runs. But unfortunately, at the end, during power play, he lost his plot, and he got out to a bowler, Sahil Kulkarni, who just changed the game complex, and he got 3 wickets for 34 runs in 5 overs. But the way he bowled, the way he got 3 wickets in 1 over, that changed the entire game, and that game went into favor of Max Tillon at the end. So beautiful game played yesterday, and that game showed some very good new generation cricketer youth, the way they are playing, and this cricket shows us that more they develop by playing such games, I think they will be much better. The best part was they played with all the spirits. We had the live video. You can always see a live video in our channel, and you can search that video. It is there. A lot of people has viewed, and the best part is you can correct yourself. The ground is very small compared to any other grounds, but you can see beautiful videos of playing, and the boys really enjoyed this tournament. The participant in all 5 teams, they had a good time here in this tournament, and Max Tillon win the tournament. So what happens now in Little Champ Cricket League? We got 3 different winners. Under 10 we got G-Force, under 11 we got B Spartan, and under 12 we got Max Tillon. Mr. Sham Bhatia was chief guest in this tournament. He came down, handed over the trophies, motivated by the speech, and giving them a pep talk to all the players, and it was really good. And amount of people there in the ground was fantastic, and they were cheering them up. Parents were there. They all enjoyed the game. It was very, very, very competitive game. Both the team played spirited. As I said, the under 11 we had a tie match. And under 12 we had a very close game. 1-6 or 1-4 could change the game, but Max Tillon deservedly win because they bowled really well, and actually they fielded so well. Catching was fantastic, and that actually leads them to the trophy. So very well done, Maxwell, for winning this tournament. And this tournament concluded with a high note, and we can see some good performances come down in this tournament from all the players. I can just run through the names. You would love to see that name there in leaderboard. The batter was Ahmed Khudadar. He got 263 run in the tournament, and he became player of best batsman of the tournament, and he became the player of the tournament as well with his all-round performance. He's a fantastic bowler. He got 4 wickets in the final. He was doing very, very well. The bowling award goes to Umesh Krishnan. He's got 12 wickets, 9 wickets, and he's also from B Spartan. So very, very good performances from the young guns, and for Maxwell, I think this is a major trophy for them. A lot of hard work put in by the coaches in Maxwell, and the team actually played very well as a unit. So congratulations to them. LCCL, this Little Champ Cricket League, has got a lot of followers. We are having a lot of followers on our YouTube channel. We are succeeding into that, what we really wanted to do, and we're seeing some young kids performing so well. Gives us so much of pride as a coach, and we feel so proud doing this video for them, and we wish them every luck, and the cricket continues with the same passion and intensity, and that is what all we want from here. Thank you very much, and hope you can subscribe my channel GeForce Cricket Academy to get more and more updates which can helpful to you. Thank you.